Hey guys, good morning. So, welcome to the demo session of this Selenium Java live automation project. So, let's get started. Fine. So, so consider this as a demo, guys. I'll just go naturally. Okay, there will not be much training here. To actually attend this demo session, as a prerequisite, you should already have the knowledge of Selenium and Java. Okay, you already got trained with Selenium and Java in my training session, then you will be able to understand this demo session or live automation series session. Because here, I'll not be training anything. I'll not be teaching you anything. I'll be just showing you how we work in real-time projects and how do we create on the fly the automation scripts and all, and how do we build the frameworks and how do we construct or build the frameworks in a step-by-step manner while the automation scripts are getting developed. All these things I'm going to cover during this, but I'll not be teaching you anything. Okay, I'll not be teaching you anything. You just have to watch and then understand how it is going with the flow. Fine. With that note, let me launch this Eclipse IDE. Let me launch the Eclipse IDE. And here, I'll just go and create, I'll just go to this live automation space. Is it audible, guys? Guys, is it audible? Is my voice audible for everyone? Just type
Yes.
yes if it, yes, right? So, okay. Murad Sultan is not able to hear me, so let him try. Audible for others. Check from your end. Okay, so let me create a new project. Okay, let me create a new project. Under that, let's filter Maven and then select Maven project. Click on next. Click on next. And here, wait for the archetypes to load. Let's wait. Maven hyphen archetypes hyphen Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Here 1.5 should come, but I'm not getting 1.5. 1.1 is coming. This will happen, guys. This will happen. So I'll just restore the Eclipse IDE once and then create the project again. This happens, okay? This is one of the common problems that will come to us. Just restart the Eclipse IDE once again. Okay. Okay. Then again create the project again. Project Maven. Under the Maven folder, Maven project, click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Here type Maven hyphen archetype, archetype. Sorry, the, here the archetypes are getting retrieved. Let's wait whether we'll get the required archetype or not. With 1.5 version from Apache, we should get a Maven archetype quick start. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen. Yeah, quick start. This time, luckily, we got Apache 1.5. I need to select this template, click on next. And here I need to give the project name. I'll give the project name as, yeah, batch 2 live automation project demo or project otherwise. Okay. Batch 2 live automation project. And here I'll just give some shortcut. B2 or something I'll give. You can give any shortcode, though, not a problem. Some unique group ID you can give, but this is a project name. Click on finish. So you already have this knowledge, right? How to create the project and all during the training sessions I covered. So here only I'm covering about the live automation thing. So here the project is getting created and the build process is going on while creating the project. Let's wait here. Just type Y, capital Y and press enter. The build success will come. Okay. The build success will come. And now here expand the project. Okay. Delete this package and src main Java and delete this package. Okay. Once I deleted. So yeah, I'll go to the pom.xml file next. And here I'll be removing this default dependency tags. Here also the default dependencies that came by default, which I don't need, I'll remove. Okay, JUnit dependencies were coming, I'm removing them. That's it. So I have cleaned the project a bit. Now the next thing here is what we need to automate. Okay, what we need to automate that we have to see first. So what we have to automate. So for that, let me go and launch. Okay, let me go and download the Excel sheet where we have our test cases available. So let me go here. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, here is the document. Let me download this document, this Excel sheet. You have this at this Google Drive. You can download this document. Once the document is downloaded, you can go to the location where it got downloaded and then double click and launch the document. Okay. Then enable editing. Okay. Then fine. So we'll be starting from which functionalities in the previous batch I have selected four functionalities, guys. Okay. So in this batch, which functionalities I need to see? Let me show you. Here in the previous batch, if you see login, logout, register and search, we have seen, right? Login, logout, register and search, we have seen. Now in this new batch, we'll start with the product compare. Okay. Product compare, product display page, add to cart, wish list, something. For example, let's choose this or else product compare. How many test cases are there in product compare? Good number of test cases. 24 are there. Okay. So let's try this out. What's the matter? Let's try this product compare only. We'll go in the sequential order if possible, as possible as possible. Okay. So how do we compare this? So we need to automate this particular test cases. Okay. So here in this live automation training series, right, or live automation series, what you will be learning is you will be coming across different challenges. While I am automating this particular test cases, you will be coming across different challenges. Okay. For each and every test case, you see, even I am automating them for the first time before you. So what will happen? Definitely, I'm also getting some challenges naturally, and you will see that how I am tackling the challenges before you. Okay. If this kind of situations comes in real time, how do you tackle those challenges is one thing that you will see. Not only that, uh, next thing that you will see here is while I am automating good number of test cases, we'll be building the framework also. Side by side, we'll be building the framework also as per our requirements here. And we'll be upgrading our project to the next level by following all the best practices and all that I'm going to cover anyhow. Okay. So with that note, let's start with this first test case that is under product compare functionality. verifying adding the product for comparison from product display page. First, we'll see this particular test case in a manual way. Open the application URL in any supported browser. Okay, we'll open the application URL. That is this application is tutorials ninja.com/demo is the application URL. Let's open this application URL in the browser. Once you open the application URL in the browser, okay, what is the next thing that we have to do? Once you open the application URL in the supported browser, enter any existing product name into the search box field. Okay, any existing product into search box field we need to add. Let's say I would like to add what is the product name they have given. The data, what is the product name? iMac. iMac product. Okay, let's search for iMac here. iMac and click on search button and click on the button having the search icon. So here some data is gone. So I think this is the same thing. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. I don't know when it is gone, but select to view the select to view the search results in list view. Select to view the search results in list view. So here I need to select the list view. Okay, so this list view will come. Then hover the mouse cursor on compare this product option from the displayed product display page. Hover the mouse cursor on the compare this product option from the displayed product display page. Compare, where is compare? Compare this product option. Okay. Select this. Okay. Hover the mouse. Sorry, we need to hover the mouse. Okay. First, we need to hover the mouse. Verify expected result one. Tooltip with the text. Compare this product should be displayed. Okay. We should get this tooltip, guys. Okay. We have to verify that we are getting this compare this product tooltip when I hover the mouse on this. That's one thing we need to see. Next. Next verification. Select compare this product option. Okay. Select compare this product option. Select compare this product option. That is, we need to select this. Okay, success, you have added iMac to your product comparison. Message should come. Okay, this message should come. That should be the expected result. Success message with the text. Success, you have added product name to your product comparison should be displayed. Okay, this message should be displayed. And third thing here is click on product comparison link from the displayed success message. We need to click on product comparison link from the displayed success message, and it should be taken to the product comparison page with the details of the product that we have added for comparison. Okay, we should be taken to the product comparison page with the details of the product like product name. Okay, like at least this product name and all should be there in the product comparison page that we have to verify. So this is what we need to automate, guys. This is what is a test case we have to automate, and what we have to verify we have to automate. Okay, so let's get started here. Since we are in the beginning of the project, under src test java, right click on this. Okay, create a new package. I'll just name this package as test package. Click on finish. Okay, name this package as test package. Under the test package, right click here and create a new class. I'll just name this class as product compare. Product compare. Okay. So product compare is the name of the functionality that I'm automating, product compare. And I just need to say finish. I'll not be using main method here. I'll not be using the main method. I'll tell you what exactly I'm going to use here. Okay, in real time, we'll not be using main method, right? Here under the product compare, we have to write the test ng test methods. Okay, test ng test methods we have to write. So, but here let me create a method first, public void. Instead of main method, I'll create a normal method that is public void. And here I'll write down adding the product for comparison from product display page. Okay. Public void verify adding product, verify adding product for comparison. Okay. Verify adding product for comparison. Okay, there is something mistake here, right? Verify adding the product for comparison from list view. Okay, I think this is not the one, guys. Okay, this is not the one. I think this line is gone. Okay, this step we need to modify. Okay, So that's the reason I thought a separate thing. Okay. Click on the product from the search results. Okay. This we need to automate. Actually, for this particular test, this we have to automate. Okay. Fine then. Okay. So here, let me automate this. Verify adding product for comparison from which page? From product display page. Product display page. So here, let me convert this normal method into the test-ng test method. How to convert this normal method into the test-ng test method? To convert this normal method into the test-ng test method, here we have to write at the rate test annotation. Hover the mouse on this. Hover the mouse on this and select test-ng option. Is test-ng option coming? Here JUnit libraries are coming. But are we getting test-ng? No. What we have to do? We have to go to the pom.xml file. And in the pom.xml file, go to the dependencies section. Inside the dependency section, add the dependency tags of test-ng. For that, we can go to the mvn or repository.com. Once we go to the mvn repository.com, once we go to this mvn repository.com, here search for test-ng. Test-ng library you search for in the mvn repository. Then you will get this test-ng. Click on this test-ng link. Once you click on the test-ng link, here we have the latest version of test-ng. Click on that. Select this under the Maven tab. Select this, and this particular XML tags will be copied to the clipboard and paste it here. Okay. Now close this. Hover the mouse on this at the rate test and select import option from test-ng. Okay. Select import option from test-ng. And here, okay. So method is there, test-ng test method is there. And here, we need to write the Selenium automation code here. Okay. We need to write the Selenium automation code. I'll be writing like this: web driver is equal to new Chrome driver. I'll write it for now. Okay. I'll start with Chrome driver for now. You can say Control Shift O, but it will not work because this particular project doesn't have the Selenium library also. Again, go to the mvnrepository.com and search for Selenium Java here in the mvnrepository.com, and you will be taken to this and click on the Selenium Java and take the latest version, copy this, come back to the pom.xml file, and paste it here. Okay, and paste it here like this. Click on Save All. The Selenium libraries will be added and configured to this project. Close this. And then here, hover the mouse, you'll get the import statements or whatever it is, or press Ctrl Shift O. It will be automatically imported. This WebDriver interface and Chrome driver classes will be imported from Selenium library. Then write down driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then driver dot get in double quotes. Give the application page URL. Give the application page URL. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. It will launch the Chrome browser, maximize the browser, open the application page URL. Okay, open the application page URL. And then what we have to do next, we need to search for an existing product in the search box field. Inspect the search box field. And here we have the name locator. Copy this name locator. And here write down driver dot find element by dot name. Provide the name locator. Provide the name locator. Paste the name locator and simply say dot send keys. And in this double quotes and put here the existing product. That is iMac is an existing product. That's it. Okay, here what will happen? iMac will be entered into the search box field. Now I need to click on the search button. Inspect the search button. Inspect the search button, guys. And this HTML code of the search button is getting highlighted. Okay, HTML code of the search button is getting highlighted. How to locate the search button? Okay, we can locate using different stuff. Placeholder is also there with help of placeholder also. This is something, or indirectly also we can locate. Okay, with help of this one, we can locate this one also. So what we can do here, or we can directly locate also. But okay, let me take the class attribute value. I cannot use a class locator, but I can use CSS selector or something. Control F, button, class is equal to, okay. You see, this will locate the button. This will locate the button, search button. Copy this CSS selector. Copy this CSS selector. Driver dot find element by dot CSS selector in double quotes dot click. Double quotes dot click. Okay, when I click on this driver dot something, and when I click on this, what will happen in the search results? In the search results, we'll get this product in the search results. Okay, we will get this product in the search results, and then what I need to do next? I need to click on this product. I need to click on this product. Okay, how to click on this product? So I need to inspect this link. I need to inspect this link, and here link text locator is there. Copy this. Okay. So here, as per the test cases, click on the product from the search results. Okay. So click on the product link or product from the search results, so that you will be taken to the product display page. Okay. When you click on this product image or link, what will happen? You will be taken to the product display page. Okay. So here go and do something like this. Driver dot find element by dot link text. Provide the link text locator and simply say dot click. What will happen? It will click on the link. You click on the link and you'll be taken to the product display page. It will take you to the product display page. Hover the mouse cursor on the compare this product option from the displayed product display page. So where is the compare this product option? Here. Okay. We need to hover the mouse on this compare this. Okay. You just need to hover. You don't have to click. And we should verify that whether we are getting this compare this product tooltip are we getting or not. We have to see. Inspect this compare this product option. Inspect this compare this product option. Okay. So we can create a web element for this. Copy this, compare this product. I need to hover my mouse onto this, compare this product. Okay, I'll copy this text and button tag, and in that button tag compare this product is there. What we can do here? Any particular locator is there? Data toggle tooltip kind of stuff is there, and uh, yeah. Either we can hover, and after hovering, what we can do actually? Is it a good way of hovering and getting the tooltip is better, or directly? Okay, where is the tooltip coming? Data original title, compare this product. Okay, fine. Just give me a second. If I hover the mouse, what this? If you modify this, for example, if you modify this ABC like that, if I convert into ABC here, okay, hover the mouse on this, you see ABC is coming. That means this is a tooltip. Okay, this particular text is a tooltip. Let me take it to the original part or refresh this page. You'll get the original one. And to compare this, right, I need to retrieve this particular thing. Okay, I need to retrieve this to verify that you don't have to hover the mouse and verify that, or you can even verify that also. If you really want to verify the exact tooltip and all, you can take a screenshot and verify. That is another way. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this and match with the expected and actual. That is one way. Or the other way is that you can simply retrieve this particular text from this attribute of this particular element, and if that particular text matches with whatever we want, then we can pass the test or fail the test accordingly. Okay, that is another way. You don't have to visually hover the mouse onto the element and all those stuff. Okay, in this case, hover the mouse and compare this product option from the displayed product display page. Option from the displayed product display page. Instead of hovering, we can simply get this text. Okay, anyhow, if you hover also, this particular text only will come. Data original title will only come as a tooltip. So what we can do here is, let's locate this element first of all. Button, type button. Okay. Uh, 1 minute. I need to find something that is this is add to wish list. Here add to wish list icon is there. Here compare is there. You see, on click compare dot add some kind of stuff is there. Okay, so we can do one thing here. There is a button whose on click. starts with compare. Like that we can write if you want. Okay. So we can write a CS selector here, Control F, button, on click. Okay. Starts with, that is starts with, is used with this symbol, cap symbol. Starts with is equal to, I'll write compare. This is a CSS selector I have written, but here two elements are coming. What is another one we are getting? Another one. Okay, there are two. Okay, there is one here and another one here. Okay, two things are there. So if even though there are two things, but it will it will take the first one only. It will take the first one only. Then what we can do here is colon n hyphen child. I don't think this will work. This is not the right way. Okay, that's okay. It will still work, guys. It will still work. Okay, it will still work. Copy the CS selector. Even though there are two elements which are matching, but it will take the first element. Okay, this element only it will take. Then what we have to do next? Copy this CSS selector and here write down uh, assert dot assert uh, assert equals, otherwise assert equals. We can take string comma string and here put a semicolon here over the mouse. First one is, otherwise write it again, assert dot assert equals. Here string comma string we have to take. Let's take string comma string. Where is that? Assert. Let me write here. Okay, boolean expected. Expected. First one is expected and first one is actual. Sorry. Okay, you see here. First one is actual. Second one is expected. Okay, if you hover the mouse or something, you'll get it. Okay, fine. So this is actual. Then this is expected. Actual thing I'll write like this. Okay, driver dot find element, or we can write something like this. Okay, string tooltip, actual tooltip, actual tooltip is equal to driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. What is the CSS selector? Here we have written the CSS selector. Copy the CSS selector of this particular element and write, then write driver dot CSS selector dot get attribute command. We have to use get attribute command and say double quote. Then here put a semicolon. And what is the attribute name we have to give? The attribute name is data hyphen original hyphen title. Copy this attribute and paste it here. This actual tooltip. Copy this actual tooltip, paste it. Okay, copy this actual tooltip and paste it. And here, write down the expected one. Okay, write down the expected tooltip. Okay, what is expected tooltip? The expected tooltip is compare this product is the expected tooltip as per the client requirements. Okay, compare this product is the expected tooltip. Okay, should be displayed is there. Copy this from the test cases and paste it here. Okay, if both matches, the test will pass. Till here, the test will pass. Then the things are not completed. The things are not completed as part of this test. Only one test we have verified. Then what is the next thing here is we need to select the compare this product option next. We need to click on this compare this product option. Inspect this compare. Already we have inspected, right? Already we have inspected this compare this product, right? Just go here and inspect this and see what is happening. Yeah, this is the one only. The same thing. Now, okay. Control F. Inspect this button. Okay, then I'll take something like same thing I'll take otherwise. Okay, I'll take the same thing. That is this element only I'll take. Driver dot find element, the same element I'll take, and I would like to click on that. Okay. I'll just take this same element. They'll say dot click. Then dot click. Once I click on this, what should happen? We should get this message. We should get this message, guys. Okay. When I click on this, we should get this message that success you have added kind of message we should get. At a high level, I'll be verifying success you have added. I'll say, and here, okay. What we have to do next? Success you have added IMAC to your product comparison kind of link is message is coming. So are we getting this message or not? We have to verify. Alert success. Here, copy this class. In between the class, all this text will be there. So I'll just do one thing. I will just take Control F, copy this entire class and simply say div class is equal to, I'll just give like this and see whether it is getting located. Your success message is getting located. Copy this success message. Copy this CS selector of the success message and retrieve the text from there. Okay, string actual success message is equal to driver dot find element by dot CSS selector, provide double quotes and put a semicolon here and say that dot get text command. Okay, I'll use dot get text command. It will retrieve the actual message. Okay, that is coming. And now I need to verify all the assertions. Assert dot assert equals or assert instead of this we can use another one. Assert dot assert true. Assert true I can use and say actual success message dot contains actual success message dot contains. What should it contain? First thing is that it should contain the product name. Okay, string product name is equal to IMAC, put a semicolon, product name, paste the product name here, click on save, copy this, actual success message dot contains is equal to product name. Now save this. Now save this, and this will return actual success message dot product name. If it contains this IMAC is there in this message, then will return true. And we can write multiple conditions in the single assertion or multiple assertions we can write, not a problem. Assert dot assert true actual success message dot contains. What should the message, guys? Success you have added should be there. Okay. Or we can create like this also. Then what else we have to write, guys? Okay, sorry. Hmm. We are retrieving the get text. Okay, we are retrieving the get text. Okay, this entire text we have to retrieve. Okay, so success you have added IMAC to your product comparison will be retrieved, and here I'll write down string expected success message. What is expected success message should come? The expected success message should come as success you have added plus product name. Sorry, plus product name. What is the remaining message we should get? The remaining message is to your product comparison. Okay, to your product comparison should be a remaining message. This is expected message. Okay, instead of writing multiple assert statements, I can write like this. Okay, actual success message dot contains expected success message. This is enough. Or equals also you can write if you want. Okay, or here only you can write equals and actual success message comma expected success message. This is also another way. Simple. Actual success message equals expected success message or not. Okay. Both are equal or not will be verified. Next. Then what is the next thing? What is the next thing? The next thing here is I need to select this compare this product option. Okay. Select this compare this product option. This option, inspect this link, and here we have the link text locator. Copy this and simply write down driver dot find element by dot link text, provide the link text locator and simply say dot click. Okay, it will click on this product comparison link and you will be taken to the product comparison page. You'll be taken to the product comparison page. And we need to verify whether we have navigated to the product comparison page and that product comparison page is containing the details of the product or not that we added for comparison. We have to verify. How to verify that? Okay. We have to verify this, whether we have navigated to the product comparison page and on that page, do we have this product? We have to verify. Okay. So here, okay. So copy this, Control F, double forward slash div at the rate ID is equal to content, locate this part, under that slash h1, we can write like this, or we can also use CSS selector here. ID is equal to content, cap h1, this is also fine. And copy this, and we'll retrieve this particular text and verify whether we are on the proper page or not. Okay. So asset equals asset dot asset equals string. Okay, let's do one thing. We need to check this. Okay, or else we'll do one thing. Asset dot asset true will verify. Asset dot asset true. Driver dot find element by dot css selector by dot css selector. Provide the double quotes. Paste it. Sorry. Yes, double quotes and paste it. And say dot get text. And this will return you the string product comparison. Okay, page heading it will return. Okay, page heading. And here I need to verify page heading. Asset equals and actual is page heading, and here expected is what is the expected page heading. Product comparison should be there. If we are on the proper page, product comparison heading should be there. Once that is done, we have to verify whether we got this product details in the search results. Okay, on this product comparison page. Sorry. So inspect this, and here, okay, anchor tag is there, and in between that, any other places, it's only one, right? Product. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll write something like this. Double forward slash T. Text function is equal to, sorry. Yeah. Text function is equal to product. Okay, then slash following hyphen sibling colon td strong. Okay, and in this, the required text should be there. Copy this, double forward slash td text function is equal to product. Under that again, IMAC strong text should be IMAC. Then copy this, come back here and write down driver dot find element by dot XPath, give the XPath expression, put a semicolon here, and here write down dot get text. Now, then write down string product name is already there. Product name, yeah. String product otherwise. Then here I'll write down asset dot asset equals expected. First one is actual, then second one is expected. Okay. So first one, actual one is this product, actual product. Actual product I'll give like this, and this actual product, and then expected is this one. Expected is this one. Done. So with this, we are done with the test. Okay. Click on and that particular should be displayed. Okay. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. Finally, I'll write driver dot with okay to close the browser and let me run the script. Rightly here, say run as. You see, there is a problem. Before running, there is a problem, guys. Here, at the rate annotation is there. If I right click here and run as, I'll not get any option. The reason behind that is in your Eclipse IDE, TestNG plugin should be installed. Here in this Eclipse IDE, TestNG plugin is not there. How to overcome this problem? Click on help, install new software. And here we need to add the TestNG plugin details. For that, go to TestNG, search for TestNG, Eclipse IDE plugin. Like this you search. TestNG Eclipse IDE plugin. Click on this link. You'll be taken to TestNG documentation, TestNG Eclipse. Click on this link. Then scroll down. Click on this installation plugin. Okay. Then copy this. Copy this, guys. Copy this TestNG Eclipse update site. Come back here and paste it here. And click on add. And just give TestNG or something here and click on add. So for us to run this TestNG test, we need to have this plugin. If plugin is not there, then we cannot run. So make sure you have the TestNG plugin installed in your Eclipse IDE. Then only you can run the test using TestNG. So let's wait. Select this TestNG plugin. Click on next. Wait for this, guys. Wait for the loading to be completed and the installation to be completed. Then we'll go to the next step. The installation is taking some time. Let's wait. Now click on next. Click on I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click on finish. The software is getting installed. Let's wait for the installation to be completed. Then we'll run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. So if you have automated something, right, the next test cases will become easier. Okay. The first test case only will be difficult and remaining test cases may be easy. Okay. Most of the things may be repeating. So generally the first test case will take some efforts from us. Okay. The installation is still going on for TestNG and the Eclipse ID need to be restarted also. After that, we'll be running this particular test case. So let's wait. Installation is taking some good time. Installing software. Yeah, I got a dialog. Just select this. Just select always trust all this and select all and click on trust selected. Now installation need to proceed now or give me another dialog otherwise. Okay, still it is going on. Since the installation is going on. No other dialogues came. Yeah, somewhat it is proceeding. That's okay. Until we get the dialogues, we have to wait. Yeah, we got another dialogue. Unsigned, always trust, yes, I risk, select all, click on trust selected again. Yeah, 55%. It's asking me to restart. Restart now, click on save, and the Eclipse ID will be restarted now. So let's wait for the Eclipse ID to launch, and then we'll be running the test. So let's wait for the Eclipse ID to launch. It's just restarting. Okay, the Eclipse ID has launched, and you are getting this run option because of the test engine. Now right click here and say run as. Now you'll get the test engine option. This time you'll get the test engine test option. So right click here and say run as test ng test. Select that. Once you select that, your test will run. Hello. Just you have to say hello for the first time. You see the browser need to launch and all those stuff should happen now. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, the browser has launched. Maximize the browser, open the application URL, type for iMac. Need to click on the product comparison. But it's not clicking on the product comparison means there is something going wrong. There is an exception here, no such element exception, unable to locate the element. Okay, maybe it was very fast for us. Okay, it was very fast. In which line we got the exception? We have to see that. In which line we got the exception? No such element exception, and we need to find out in which line we got the exception. Here, no, what is this? Comparison from verify adding product for comparison for product display page. 24th line. Okay, this is the line we got the exception. Okay, it's not able to retrieve this part. Why? Because whatever you clicked on the compare option, right? After clicking that, the message is taking some time to come. So how to overcome this problem? To overcome this problem, we can do one thing. Here you can write down this part. You can take copy this, and here write down, or else do one thing. You can write down here like this: WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait. Okay, then hold the mouse on this, import this from Selenium library, and then hold the mouse on this. Here we have to pass first driver, comma, duration dot of seconds. Then give some seconds, let's say 30 seconds, max 30 seconds, it's too much anyhow. Then write down wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located by. Here by.cs selector you have to take. Copy this part and paste it here. Now put a semicolon here, and this until method will return you the element also. String success message element is equal to, okay. Web element success message element. Okay. Hold the mouse on this, import this, and then success message element. Success message element dot get text. Okay, then where else we have used that? The only place that we have used is that only, right? Yeah, that's okay. Let's run this test to see whether it is working fine after implementing the WebDriver waiting mechanism there. Let's see if the test is, we are able to run the test or not. Let's see. Did you click on the product comparison? Need to wait for product comparison. I don't know whether it will wait or not, or have I done any mistake here? So which line? 33rd line this time. WebDriver wait dot until expected conditions. Okay. Visibility of element located by. Then actual success message, expected success message, actual and comma expected. What is the line? We got an exception here this time. We got an exception here with actual with. Okay, success message only we are getting the error. Success message element dot get text is unable to get the text, and that is not matching, it is saying. And did we wait actually? Okay, we would have wait actually. So I'll do one thing. I'll just write on system.out.println. This is the way to debug, guys. Okay, this is a way to debug. You see, this kind of problems will come in real time. No one will explain all this stuff, how to overcome these problems. You see, everyone will try to show you how to automate, but while automating this, what challenges we are going to face, no one will explain, right? So how to overcome the problems, how to troubleshoot the problems, how to rectify the problems. Okay, this is what we are discussing here. The focus point is here. Okay. how to automate them and get the confidence. Now here, just go here and see in the output console, did we get any output here? Where is the Eclipse ID? Go to window and show view and simply say console and see if we got anything in the console. Success, you see some X option is coming. Because of this X option, you see this particular message here, guys. If you see this particular message, okay, if I go here and, you know, go to this product and click on compare this. Okay, so here at the end, some X option is coming. That X option is also coming. So what I have to do here is, in this case, what we have to do here is, I have to write down, instead of writing equals, I have to write assert true, assert dot, assert true, actual success message dot contains. Contains is fine. Okay, expected success message. This is good. Okay, let's run this code and see what is happening this time. Is the test passing or not after, you know, fixing the problem? Need to click on the link, but still it is not clicking on the link, guys. What is going wrong again? Let's see what is the problem here. 34th line. This time, assert dot assert true is failing actually. Contains expected message. What does expected message contain? Success you have added. Okay, there should be some space, right? So there should be some space. That's the problem. Okay. There should be some space between the product name. Okay. So that's the problem. Otherwise, it is going to work fine. Yeah, it is working fine. The test got passed. Okay. So this is how, guys, we have to overcome the challenges and automate a particular test case while automating the application test cases. So this is one of the test cases we have automated. This is one of the test cases we have automated. So anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions regarding this? Just let me know so that I can explain. Anyone have any questions from while automating this particular test case? You can type in the chat box. If it is clear for you, just type C in the chat box. Or if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll explain you and I'll clear your doubts. Okay, fine. So that's all for demo session, guys. Let's see when I'm getting some questions here. Sir, why? Assert is for verification. Verification. Okay, to verify. This is a basic question actually. Assert is for verifying. Okay. Based on this assertion only, the test will either pass or fail. Okay. As per the results of this assertion only, the test will either pass or fail. Okay. That's the test NG assertions. Clear, Abhishek? The reason for using the assertion from test NG is to verify whether the test is passing or failing. Okay. If these results are wrong, means if they are not equal, this assertion will fail. Because of that, the test will fail. Okay. In the output, we'll get the result as fail. Okay. And if it is fail, if there is a real defect and if the test is failing, then we can report the defect. Okay. The script is working fine, and we can report the defect. Okay. That is the reason for the assertions. Any other questions, anyone? Guys, anyone have any other questions from this session? Anyone have any other questions here?
Hi Arun, apart from regular Selenium sessions, here, what is difference, Arun? This sessions and that session.
That session is only about training, but will not be in the training sessions, will not be covering the live automation, right? Live project will not cover, okay? And here,
Okay.
what we'll do here is we'll be automating good number of test cases, and this is only the first session I have covered, right? Where only one test cases I have shown you how to automate. Tomorrow, we'll be automating remaining test cases and so on, okay? The more the test cases you will keep automating, right? The different type of challenges will come in each and every test case, and the size of the number of test cases will also increase here. When the number of test cases also increase here, what will happen? Uh, we need to improvise our framework to accommodate that multiple test cases or multiple automated tests across multiple things, right? We have to improvise our project into we have to convert this normal project into a framework. Okay, so how our framework will grow and naturally when you are automating good number of test cases, and what type of challenges you are getting while automating different test cases, and to build the confidence. You see, a lot of people may have trained on Selenium, Java, and but they didn't get a chance to work on a real Selenium project. So what
Okay.
what will happen in that case? They'll not have the confidence levels, right? So this course will help you in building the confidence. This we just started here. It's not the real thing. So we are going to modify this in the coming sessions. The more test cases comes, right? We'll improvise this, like how we have to automate in real time. But to get started, we'll start like this. Okay,
Okay,
clear?
Arun.
That's the main intention, okay? To build the confidence of the people. People have to put some experience, right? Unnecessarily, they will put experience in the resumes, even though they don't have any experience of working on real-time projects on Selenium Java. After you complete this batch, something, right? You don't have to be afraid of, okay? So you can answer all the real challenges. Some questions will come in the interviews like this, okay? What is a challenge that you have faced during real-time I mean, when you have worked in the projects on Selenium Java, can you explain or give me an example for one of the challenge you have faced? So no matter how much you have learned in Selenium Java, that question you will not be able to answer. Now, in this session only, you have seen a lot of challenges, right? In this session only,
Yes.
there was a challenge where you have implemented WebDriver wait. You got a problem and you solved it using WebDriver wait, okay? Because the success message was not coming immediately. So all this kind of stuff, the real time stuff will be covered here, okay? In training, I'll only train you, but here you are actually getting some confidence on the real time project. Even though you don't have the experience of working in a project, you can put this as a project in your resume, and you can get the interview calls and you can succeed in the interview calls because of this reason. That's the plan. Okay, Ankush is clear, and chat is disabled. No, no, Navin, chat is not disabled. I can see your message, Navin. Chat is not disabled. Guys, you can message me, okay? You can message me. You cannot message other people, but you can message me. So, or if you want me to change this, you can also do that, okay? Fine. Yeah, can you try now? Can you try the chat now? Something got changed in Zoom. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now we can see together, right? Yeah, everyone can see everyone's message. Yeah, got it, got it. Okay. So there was some setting so that I changed. So now you can see all the things. Guys, type C in the chat box if you are clear with this demo session. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Great. Thanks for the confirmation. So tomorrow onwards, this today we started, right? But today was the demo session. Okay, so some existing students have attended, and you know, like the people who are attending the demo are also attending today's session. So, so what we are going to do here is tomorrow we'll go with the next test case. Okay, tomorrow we'll go for a good number of hours, like 3 hours or something. We'll go tomorrow. Okay, 3 to 4 sessions. I'll start from tomorrow. Tomorrow it will not be a demo session. We'll be directly going into the real sessions. Okay. No, Navin, this link will change. I'll let you know. Okay. I'll ping in the WhatsApp group the next link. Okay. I'll let you know in the WhatsApp group, which you have joined as a student, right? There I'll be messaging you. Okay. This will not be the same link for all the sessions. Okay. Fine. And uh, Axa Kalfe is asking me a question, sir. I'm new to Selenium. I'm trying to understand. So if that is the case, you don't have to attend these sessions, Skakalfe, and we have another training batch going on in the evening hour, 6 p.m. IST. You can join our training sessions. Okay. Selenium Java training is starting today at 6 p.m. IST. You can go and join that. Once you are comfortable with that, you can join this. A lot of batches will be there for live automation. At any point of time, you can join.
Okay, sir.
So Navin is asking me a question, how many sessions will be there as part of this project? You see the sessions, these are ongoing sessions, Navin. So for every 4 functionalities, we'll be starting a new batch. Okay. For register, login, logout, search was the first batch. Now we are going to start second batch with this product compare, then product display page, add to cart, wish list. Another batch will start with shopping cart, homepage, and all these recordings will be there in our folder here. Okay. All these recordings will be there here for you. Okay, all the recordings will be there for you. The previous batch recordings and all. I'll be creating. You see, this is the second batch we have started, and here I'll uploading the recordings. Okay, so anyone want to see the recordings, you can come here to our Google Drive and take the recordings. The people who have subscribed to the course can take these recordings. Okay, Selenium Java Live Automation project. So in this folder, I'll just rename this. Just mention this as two. In this folder, I'll be uploading the recordings. Okay, so clear, Naveen? There is no particular count for the number of sessions. I'll be announcing a lot of batches, and you see, it is a one time subscription and I mean, lifetime access kind of thing. So you can attend all the batches. Every batch, some new functionalities will be automated, and we may also go to another application also later. Okay, after this application is completed, we may also go to another application also. Okay, here we have 500 test cases that will be covered across multiple batches, and you are eligible to or entitled to attend any batches. Okay, only one time you have to subscribe. Remaining all batches you can attend. The people who are interested, right, you can reach out to my team member Javed here. Okay, this is my details of the Javed. Okay, my team member Javed. You can contact Javed using this WhatsApp number or Telegram or whatever it is. I'll just post this in the chat also. People who are interested in joining this live automation series or sessions, you can actually reach out to my team member on this WhatsApp. Okay, I have posted in the chat box. Timings 11 a.m. IST. Sarita, the timings are 11 a.m. IST. Okay, 11 a.m. IST on weekends. The sessions will start at 11 a.m. IST on weekends, Saturday and Sunday both. And number of sessions, it depends. Okay, like 2 to 4 sessions on every weekend. Okay, on Saturday it will be 2 to 4 sessions, and Sunday also 2 to 4 sessions, depending on the situations and all. Clear, Sarita? So yeah, anyone interested can reach out to the team member, my team member Javed, using this WhatsApp number and all. And Javed will help you in enrolling. Javed will help you in enrolling into the batch. Yes, only on weekends. Yes, only on weekends, Sarita. We'll be having 2 to 4 sessions on Saturday, 2 to 4 sessions on Sunday, and that will happen only on weekends, not on weekdays. Weekdays, we have training batch going on, so that will continue. Weekends at 11 a.m. IST. Okay, the timing is weekends at 11 a.m. IST. Weekends, 11 a.m. IST, 2 to 4 uh, sessions will be there. Okay, then, okay, then. Great. Any other questions, anyone? Anyone have any other questions from this demo session? You can reach out to my team member as I mentioned. Using these details, you can reach out to my team member Javed, who will help you in enrolling process. And that's all for this session, guys. Let's meet tomorrow. The people who have subscribed will continue tomorrow. I'll post the details of the meetings and all in the WhatsApp group. Accordingly, you can join. Okay. Bye, everyone. Take care.